Welcome back, internet friends. Today I want to give the DoorDash drivers out there a little tip, a little hack that I've learned using Chipotle that will really help you do short distance orders and make easy money even when it's slow. This is the only way I dash nowadays, is I go right to a Chipotle parking lot. Then I turn on the DoorDash app and I wait. And within a few minutes, I get an order from Chipotle. The reason is Chipotle is super busy. You may notice at lunchtime, they sometimes have a line out the door, and they also have this rack. So as soon as you walk in, most of the time you don't even need to talk to the employee. You can just go to the rack and grab the bag with the name on it that you need. If the food's ready, it'll be sitting right there. That's the reason Chipotle is awesome. You don't have to wait for the person to go get the order out of the back. Also, I gotta give it up to Chipotle and their staff. They train their staff really well. Everyone seems to be very focused in the restaurant and super aware of their job. And if you don't have your order ready and you go up to one of them, they're really quick to respond and they're super friendly most of the time. Some restaurants you go there and the staff are like half stoned. They don't even know what your order is or they don't care. They just want to get over with their shift. Chipotle staff seems on point. Like they know what they're doing and they're ready to get work done. Number two, it's super busy. You're not going to have a lot of downtime between your orders. You're going to just park at the Chipotle and get an order right away. You can even reject all the long distance orders that come from other restaurants. And here's why. If you live in a metropolitan area, Chipotle is everywhere, okay? There are a lot of Chipotles. I would say every 5 miles in my area, there's a Chipotle. And they're all incredibly busy. So anyone who's ordering from Chipotle is only gonna be within like 2.5 miles of the restaurant. Maybe 4 or 5, but I've never had to go more than like 2 miles for a Chipotle delivery. So I find that if I wait at Chipotle and accept only those orders, or only the really short ones, I'm gonna basically make $5 or $6 a couple times an hour, and I'm only gonna have to drive like a mile. So it takes very little wear and tear on my car, and it takes very little time getting to the person's house. Sometimes I could even like run the order or take it on a scooter if I really wanted to. I might make a video doing that, delivering Chipotle with DoorDash on a GoPed, just to try it, because I think it would be funny. So the following reason Chipotle is like the way to go for DoorDash is because you also are gonna get stacked orders more often. So because Chipotle is so busy, if you're sitting there waiting for an order, it's really likely that they're gonna send you another order. So you're gonna have two, $5.50 or $6 orders stacked on top of each other at that same Chipotle, and they're both gonna be really short. So you're gonna be able to take 2 deliveries within like 20-30 minutes and make $11. So even when it's slow, I find that just waiting at Chipotle tends to get me orders because it's where people are ordering from all the time. I hope you found this video helpful or informative. If you did, go ahead, smash that like button. Please feel free to subscribe. I do make videos all the time. Go ahead, leave a comment. Tell me what your best spot to pick up from DoorDash is. Mine is Chipotle, and I'm telling you, it's a super easy delivery if you just go there and pick up short orders. If you're interested in delivering with DoorDash and you'd like to sign up and give it a try, you can go ahead, click the link below in the description. That'll get you my referral bonus after you complete so many rides within about 2 months. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck out there, safe driving, and have a great day.